What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm G. This is All Things G, and today, guys, on the menu we are having shrimp and grits, guys. Yes, this is our first time on the channel having shrimp and grits, but guys, I love shrimp and grits. So without any further ado, we gonna get right in and bust it down, okay? So I got me a little spoon here. I hope y'all can see it. Well, matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all. So it's cheese grits, and it has mushrooms and fried onions. I hope you guys can see that well. So yes, guys, this is what we're having today. I'm always craving this from one particular place. Oh my god, and it's always so good. Guys, it took me forever to get this set up to try to make sure you guys can see it. So it's probably not as hot as I would like it. Nope, perfect. I don't like my food too hot, y'all. I don't like when I can't enjoy it. But this is from a place called Tasty Toast. It's in South Philadelphia. It's on Point Breeze. So if you're from the area, check it out. Y'all, this is so good. You know when a place uses milk or water for their grits, and they use milk. We got some toast, guys. I'm pretty hungry. I just got off of work a couple hours ago, so I'm really tired. I had to fight myself so hard to stay up, guys. I literally wanted to come home and go to sleep. This is so good. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like shrimp and grits, or if you ever had it before. Now, maybe when I was younger, I'd be like, ugh, no, don't mix that together. Or I was the type of person when I was younger who had sugar in my grits. Yes, I'll admit it, sugar in the grits. Grown woman palate, okay? We ain't doing no sugar in them grits. Throw some cheese in there, make them with some milk, please. I love shrimp and grits. If you never tried it, you need to get in. It's so good. Fish and grits. It's so good, guys. I'm so sleepy. I worked last night. I got off at about, I want to say 7:30, 8 o'clock. This morning. I was falling asleep on the way home from work. So I knew that I was tired. But I know I needed to push this content out for y'all. I've been slacking, y'all. I'll admit it, I've been slacking. And I just know when the devil is working. That missed me, y'all. Okay? I know when the devil is working. And I gotta readjust. I had to shift my approach and get back on task. God God said, girl, you better stop playing. This is only a test of what's to come. So, I'm getting it together, y'all. Your girl's a work in progress, okay? I came in here looking rough, okay? Rough, busted, and disgusted for y'all. Arizona iced tea, y'all, of course. This is so good, y'all. Yo, I was gonna do would you rather? I think they were like funny but hard. Maybe I'll do 5 of them. I'll do 5 of them, y'all. Okay, so the first one. Would you rather have to announce to everyone around you whenever you have to fart or pee your pants daily? Daily, every day. Would you rather announce you have to fart or pee? Me? Pee. Saying you gotta pee is a lot easier than saying I gotta fart. Especially depending on who you're around. Second one. Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or 1 horse-sized duck? I'm going with 100 duck-sized horses. 1 big duck would be horrible. Pecking away at you. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going with the 100. Third one, y'all. Would you rather be in a tree or have to live in a tree for the rest of your life? So would you rather be a tree or have to live in a tree for the rest of your life? I'd rather live in the tree for the rest of my life. People live in tree houses all the time. Nice tree houses, so why not? I'm going with live in the tree. I don't want to be the tree. People cut trees down. So, you're in a crowded room. Would you rather fart loudly and everyone laugh at you, or be the only one laughing obnoxiously? I can't even say it right. Obnoxiously when someone else farts. Excuse me, guys. Would you rather fart loudly and everyone laugh at you, or would you rather be the one laughing awkwardly when someone else farts? I'll be the awkward laugher. I would take the awkward laugh. I don't want anyone laughing at me for farting. It's embarrassing. Would you rather begin every single sentence with "hello, idiot," or in every sentence with "ha ha ha, I was just kidding"? So it's "hey, idiot," or "ha ha ha, I was just kidding" at the end. Excuse me, guys. Ha ha ha, I was just kidding at the end. I'm going with that one. You can't be walking up to the pastor and talk about, "hey, idiot." Or you can be walking up to your mama and talk about, "hey, idiot," or your dad. So, Ha ha ha. Just kidding that down. That was 5, y'all. Y'all want more? Yeah? Alright. I'll do some more. Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years or live 10 lives that last 100 years each? 100 years each. Okay, so I'm going to say 10 lives that last 100 years each. Because why would you want to keep living? 1,000. Oh, until you're 1,000 years old. I'd rather know, okay, I got 100 years to get it right. Boom. Born in the next crazy looking time, and who knows what's going to happen, so why not start over and not just keep, no. Yeah, I'll take the 10 lives. I'll take the 10 lives. Guys, this is so good. Would you rather be... where'd it go? Would you rather be without elbows or be without knees? Well, if I didn't have elbows, I couldn't do like this. Couldn't cover my mouth. And if you ain't got knees, can you walk without knees? That's a good one. I want to keep my elbows. Yeah, I want to keep my elbows. Dang, I want my legs too. Okay, I keep my elbows. Keep my elbows. Man. Guys, I didn't realize that under these questions there's someone answer. And to that question, they said head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Why didn't include elbows in that song? They're just as important. Agreed. Would you rather fart really loud or poop your pants silently? Oh my God. They're both embarrassing. It's like, okay, you can fart and that's going to go away. But everyone is going to hear. But you can poop and ain't nobody going to know who pooped. But it ain't going to go away. You're going to have to quietly sneak on out of there. And they're going to know it was you by then. So, the person said under it, silent but deadly. Okay, so they're going to take the silent bow out. I would as well. Okay. Would you rather have diarrhea every day for the next 3 months or be constipated every day for the next 3 months? Okay. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Okay. That's bad. Okay, so think about it this way. If you poop for 30 days, you're going to lose some weight, child. You're going to lose some weight. I think I might need to poop for 30 days, y'all. But at the same time, ooh, your butt going to be hurting. You could have the softest tissue in the world. Your butt still going to hurt. I don't want that. But being constipated, that might be worse than diarrhea. Just the feeling of having it go when your stomach is rumbling and ain't nothing coming out. I thought about this, y'all, and I think I might have to take the diarrhea. I can't believe I just said it. Y'all, I'm going to take the diarrhea. I'm going to take the diarrhea for 30 days because being constipated for 30 days, no, baby. No, it's not 30 days. It's 3 months. Who made this? Who made this stuff up? Who did? All right, last question I'm doing, guys. Would you rather use eye drops made of vinegar or toilet paper made of sandpaper? Okay. Now just don't be nice to the booty. That ain't cool. Sandpaper? Vinegar for your eyes? I mean, you going down either way. What y'all choosing? Tell me. Because at this point, I tried to give my butt a break with the last one. Vinegar in my eyes. Who made this up? I'm not answering that. It's just dumb. Alright, maybe it's not dumb. It's just too difficult to answer. I don't know, y'all. Vinegar in my eyes. I'm gonna do vinegar in my eyes, y'all, because if my booty just had to go through 3 months of diarrhea or constipation, it don't want sandpaper in it. So yeah, I'm gonna take eye drops of vinegar. Bam. Your girl finished her food, y'all. Y'all happy? I don't know if I finished the meal lately, y'all, but the girl has finished her food. So, guys, I wanted to bring you this quick video to let y'all know that I miss y'all. I'm sorry I've been gone, but your girl is getting it together, okay? And I'm working so hard because I have such an amazing surprise for y'all, but I just cannot. I can't tell y'all yet. If y'all don't know anything by now about me, I'm a perfectionist. So if it's not right, the quality is not right, or anything is not right about the vision that I see for what I have for y'all, I'm not putting it out there. I'm not putting it out there. Like, I'm a new YouTuber and I'm new to the game and I'm early to this, but I'm coming out with a boom and I'm coming out banging and I got something for y'all. I'm so excited about what I have, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm just excited and I can't wait to tell y'all. I can't wait to like get y'all reaction and I just can't wait. Oh my God, y'all. See, this is why I have not been recording, because what I'm doing is taking up so much of my time. Like, and I know that I can't leave y'all behind because this is ultimately for y'all. So when I'm not here, y'all, please just know that I'm working. Please bear with me. Like, please just come back to the channel, y'all. Don't worry, because your girl got something for y'all. So I really need y'all to stay tuned. I really need y'all to make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Y'all need to hit that notification bell, okay? Hit that notification bell. You do not want to miss what's coming. I'm telling y'all, y'all don't want to miss it. Hit that notification bell. I need to make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, y'all, but they've been taking some of your girl's subscribers, okay? Your girl hit $170. $170, y'all. We in there. We getting lit. We growing, y'all. We growing. So I need to make sure I keep y'all content coming because the family is getting bigger. And I'm just so happy that y'all are here. So guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time your girl posts another video. Deuces. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm G. This is All Things G. And today, guys, we are back. Nope. Let's start over, guys. Today, guys, we are having a grits and shrimp dinner / breakfast. Okay, nope. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm G. This is All Things G. And today, guys, on the menu, we are having grits and shrimp, okay? Or should I say shrimp and grits, rather. So, yes, we are having shrimp and grits with cheese grits, eggs. Hold on, why do I keep fucking up?